this point, the graphic is transferred and ready to be molded. If for some reason you need to take this graphic off the mold and reapply another, you need to use the MIG graphic removal scraper. Take the scraper, go to the edge of the graphic, and slide it along the edge. You'll see the graphic removing as I slide it along. I've got the graphic scraped and removed from the surface. Now I'll use some tape to pick up some of the debris. Once you have the area free from the major pieces that you removed with the scraper, you're going to want to finish by using a cleaner such as lacquer thinner, acetone, or 99% isopropyl alcohol with just a finishing wipe on the mold to make sure that there's no small pieces of debris left that can interfere with the next transfer.